Welcome to my channel, and now I will show you how to set up your ringing sound and notification sound. What you have to do: first you have to go to settings. Now find and choose sound and vibration, tap on it. Now when you see ringtone, press ringtone, and here it is. For incoming calls, click ringtone and choose which sound you want to hear when you receive a call. Or for notification, choose which sound you wanna hear for notification. For example, here it is. Okay, if this video was useful for you, please like it, share it, and of course leave me the comment in the comment section below. It means a lot to me. See you soon with new tutorial.